Hello and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and it's Monday, January 7th. Tesla was the victim of a theft that resulted in having to shut down a brand new Supercharger station. The automaker is currently working to triple the size of their network over the next 2 years, and one of the newest stations is an 8-stall version 3 Supercharger in Oakhurst, California. However, when members of the Tesla Motors Club wanted to go and check out the new spot, they found that all the stalls were missing their charging cables, crudely cut by nefarious forces. Tesla Supercharger stations have been subject to vandalism in the past, and one of the more common, less damaging methods is to block access with a parked vehicle. In this case, it very well could be someone stealing the cables to extract the copper inside. They managed to cut all of them undetected and could point towards criminals who knew what they were doing. Tesla was spotted working on a new Cybertruck prototype at the Fremont factory. While it's nice to see more footage of the highly anticipated new pickup truck, the footage actually makes us a little uncomfortable with how close the drone was getting to the Tesla employees. We were expecting to get an update about the Cybertruck during Tesla's product roadmap update, but we were left out to dry. There is a new vehicle prototype which has been spotted a few times, and it's back in Fremont undergoing what appears to be the installation of sensors and calibrating road markers. While we certainly appreciate the updates, the intrusion of the drone might actually force Tesla's hand. Tesla can't do much about people flying drones straight into the air and then filming into the property from a distance, but this time the flyer went over the property line, up close to the workers, and they even poised to chase it away. Tesla gave an update on its Bitcoin holdings in a new SEC filing, confirming that they now hold $1.99 billion of the cryptocurrency. Early in 2021, Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and briefly began accepting it as payment for vehicles before closing down that option. Bitcoin, along with the broader crypto market, has since crashed, but prices are going up again over the last few weeks, with Bitcoin being up 15% this week alone. The automaker confirmed that, at current value and after selling part of its stake as a test of liquidity, it now holds about $2 billion in the cryptocurrency. While the Tesla Cybertruck has recently been delayed again, the hype is so strong around the pickup that people are already working on third-party accessories. Anthony Diamond, a PhD in material science from Berkeley and a serial entrepreneur, has dreamed up a new concept called the Cybercat Catamaran. The concept consists of an easy-to-assemble kit that can turn the truck into a floating catamaran aquatic vessel. It's equipped with 1 to 5 50-kilowatt outboard motors, which means that they have a boat powered by the Cybertruck's battery pack. While there is no working prototype yet, the company is aiming for a price of $22,900 to $32,900. Nissan reportedly plans to end most gasoline engine development, becoming the first Japanese automaker to announce anything of the sort. Nissan isn't committing entirely since they will also continue to develop hybrid engines for global markets, which likely include both conventional gas hybrids and plug-in models. For current engines, Nissan will continue to improve them, but they will not develop new designs. Even with these new projects trailing, it's interesting that Nissan is finally coming around, or back around. Nissan was a modern pioneer in electric vehicles, with the production and delivery of over 10 years of the Nissan Leaf. And now Nissan has yet to deliver a second vehicle, and the Leaf is looking a little dated, running out the clock on their early lead. The Ariya, Nissan's upcoming electric compact SUV, is expected to start deliveries later this year. Solar electric vehicle startup Aptera Motors appears to have delayed some deliveries, according to reports from multiple reservation holders. Members of both the subreddit r/Aptera Motors and the Facebook group have been sharing images of their expected deliveries and their spot in line. Reservation holders at Electrek also noticed that the expected deliveries were pushed from 2022 into the timeline of, quote, between 2023 and 2024. A representative for Aptera Motors replied to us saying, in part, quote, 2023 to 24 is a date range that will depend on your specific configuration choice, reservation date, and where you live in the world. Our goal is to begin deliveries of our earliest Paradigm Edition customers in 2022, followed by as many U.S. customers as possible in 2023, until we ramp up to 40 per day. Today's community comment comes from Disturbed47, who says, quote, "Rhetorical question. I looked at the Twitter feed of this guy who scrapped the post while on full self-driving. He says he's a big Tesla fan and supporter. The car would have reported the details to Tesla when it was disengaged, or he could have hit the report button and Tesla would have investigated it privately. Yet he had to post it online with the vultures from the NTSB circling overhead and maybe trigger an investigation. Is our need for self-gratification and attention so great we will post anything regardless of the consequences so we can feel important about ourselves? IMHO." Well, Disturbed47, in my opinion, I really don't think that Tesla needs any protecting. The news, the vultures, and the naysayers might have had a chance at stopping Tesla in the past, but those days are gone. Tesla is so far ahead in software, hardware, material acquisition, mineral securement, talent catching, and so much more. Nearly every other car company is chasing them or comparing them in some way. If people don't like full self-driving and post videos of its failure, they do have the right to do so. Personally, I really want to see Tesla succeed. I choose to acknowledge the problems that they have, to quell conflict mostly, and I also focus on the many, many ways in which they are innovating and inspiring a whole new generation of STEM students. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.